What up? Back in the garage today with the Wrangler. Today I'm gonna be changing out my air filter. Bought me a new air filter, and I'm gonna clean up that pipe, man. Clean this thing up a little bit. Listen to the clamp right here. This keeps sliding off. So I got my clamp on pit. I'm gonna try to clean up a little bit every time. So today's project is gonna be doing the air intake right now. See if we can get this thing to look a little bit better. Let me get up inside here, y'all, so y'all can see what's going on in this thing. This is what she's looking like right here. It's gonna be a long process, man. I'm gonna try to do it piece by piece. I'm not gonna try to bust everything out on one day. I'm gonna clean it up a little by a little bit. But right now, we're gonna be focusing on that intake right there. Hopefully getting looking and breathing a little bit better. So what she looking like, y'all. It's all tore up, man. I'm gonna clean my pipe off here. I'm gonna get rid of that filter. That filter ain't no good. That thing's junk. Try to clean all this up. Yeah, I should have bought a new. Look at that thing. Got a plug right there. Jesus. I didn't even know that goes in the bottom of it. But my new filter, I'm gonna throw in that thing, you know. A little something. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up right quick. Then we're gonna put that new filter on there. That's the best these things gonna get right here, y'all. It ain't too bad. Got a lot of mud off. Look at that dirty water. Got a lot of mud off that thing, but y'all know what I'm gonna do though? Hey, it's gonna be something new, something different. I don't feel like going to buy another pipe yet. I'm about to spray this pipe right here. I'm about to paint it black. hey, I'm for real about to make a ghetto for real. Somebody out here riding. Like a little dirt bike out there. But I'm gonna tape it in some white duct tape. I'm gonna tape that around and take a little hole out. Spray it. I love black. That's good. I'm about to spray that thing right now. And clean up on the hood some more while this thing dries. I want to show y'all a quick coat right quick. That's just one coat right there. Just a little light coat. I'm gonna throw some more coats on here in a little bit. Hey, she black though. Hey, you still can see the duct tape up there around it though. Hey, but she black. Let go. What the final product looking like, y'all. Not bad. I mean, from looking at it, she looks good. But if it's gonna get the job done, I do not know. I forgot that thing's gonna be sitting right on the engine. That stuff probably gonna start melting. It's gonna turn this junker into even more of a junker. Hey, at least she can breathe a little bit better now. Yeah, y'all, that's it right there though, man. I changed out the air intake on this thing. Air filter. I'll be doing it step by step. I don't know what I'm gonna do next to it. I'm just gonna do something random probably. I'm thinking about to take it to the car wash again. I'm not gonna wash this. I'm gonna wash all the parts to the windows and the roof and all that stuff. Probably rest that stuff down a little bit. Yeah. Gonna be it, y'all. Thank you for tuning in to another episode. Wrangler 2000.